Hello everyone, in this lecture the topic, intensive pronoun, is going to be explained in detail with understandable examples. But if you are new to my channel then please like and subscribe the channel. Let's learn it. Intensive pronoun is a type of a pronoun that is used to add emphasis to a noun or pronoun. What does it mean? Simply, it means that intensive pronoun is nothing but it is like other pronouns, but this pronoun gives emphasis to a noun or pronoun used in a sentence. Basically, when you do something and you want to tell people that the work is done by me and not by someone else. So, you can use intensive pronoun to show that you yourself did something and others were not involved in it. Just look at these examples. The teacher herself explained the concept. Look at this sentence, the word, herself, is intensive pronoun, but the question is how? Simply, this word gives emphasis that no one explained the concept but the teacher herself explained it. So, this emphasis is shown by the word, herself, so this is known as intensive pronoun in English grammar. The dog itself opened the door. Again the word, itself, is an intensive pronoun. Actually, let me ask you a question. Who opened the door? So, the answer is no one has opened the door but the dog itself opened it. Basically, this word gives emphasis to the point that the dog itself did it. So, this is intensive pronoun. I myself saw him in the ground. Observe the word, myself, it is also intensive pronoun because it emphasizes that no one but myself saw him. So, simply you can say when a pronoun adds emphasis to a sentence then it is called intensive pronoun in English grammar. Well, if you have enjoyed this lecture then please don't forget like and subscription to the channel. Thank you.